Hi, my name is Harpreet. I'm an application specialist at CAD Micro Solutions. In this video, I'm going to take you through the quick steps of changing your client type for PDM software. We are first going to go under our Start menu and locate our SOLIDWORKS PDM. So here I have my SOLIDWORKS PDM. I'm going to click on this to expand my SOLIDWORKS PDM folder, and I'm going to locate this administration tool. A window similar to the one that I have in the background will pop up. And here now what you're going to do is all you need to do is just go under Help. You go under About SOLIDWORKS PDM Administration. You click on this drop down menu, select Contributor or either Viewer, whichever you would like to do so, and then you click OK. Then the Vault Setup will come up and you're gonna say yes, and then it's going to ask you to restart your computer. You click OK, and once you have restarted, your client type will switch to the contributor or whichever you had selected from that list. I hope this video will be helpful instructions for you to change your client type. For more information, please check out our website at CAD Micro Solutions or follow us on social media. Thank you very much. Have a great day.